Welcome to Back 40 Adventures, and today I'll be showing you a real quick hack on how to charge side post batteries. I always find it really difficult to get the clamps of the charger to connect to the side post battery. I'll show you real quick. As you can see, the battery terminal is not nearly large enough to allow the charger clamp to stay firmly attached. And even if you do get it to attach, a lot of times when you walk away, it'll fall off and you'll come back to a battery that has not fully charged. First, go ahead and remove both your positive and negative battery connections. Now that you have your battery terminals removed, the next thing I want you to do is come on over to your bucket of bolts that I know all of you have, right here. Let's go ahead and grab two matching 3/8 16 bolts right off the top. Now, I hear a lot of people always complain about having a bucket of bolts, and they always say something like, well, then you have to dump them all out and sort through all of these that don't match just to find two that are going to work for you. My recommendation is to just, grab the two matching bolts right off the top and don't go through the hassle of dumping it out and looking through all the bolts that don't match. Just grab the two that match. So once you have these, go ahead and see if they look very clean. Mine certainly look like they could use a little cleaning up. So maybe grab a wire brush or a Brillo pad to clean them up. I used a sandblaster to clean up the bolts, as it's always fun to see how parts look after the sandblasting is done. After getting them cleaned up, we will get them installed in the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Now that we have our bolts nice and cleaned up, let's go ahead and throw them in the side posts of the battery. And they should slide right in because we do have the right size, which is a 3/8 16 threads per inch. As you can see, I now have plenty of room to connect the clamp from my battery charger. This was a real short video, but I hope this information was helpful to somebody out there. And if you enjoyed it, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe.